Hey friends, if you wish to fix this error, LogonUI.exe application error on startup in your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, the first solution is the most obvious one, which is simply to restart your computer. So, right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then restart your computer. The next solution is an SFC scan. So, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The third solution is a malware scan. How would you do that? Search for MRT in the Windows search bar and open MRT. Okay. Basically means the malware removal tool. And click on next. Select full scan, select next and let it run through. The next solution is to update the graphics card drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Okay. Right click on each one of them and update all of them. And lastly, we need to isolate the possibility of third-party interference causing this issue. So we will perform a clean boot on the computer. Now here's what we can do. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any other service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.